I had a thought last week while riding on the trail of the utilitarianism of my bike. I had the all too common feeling of, did I pack the right things for the trail? With that being said, I needed something that would mount on the DR like a rack. The majority of the racks out there were specific to said bike. I knew that Giant Loop had a universal rack that they had just released. I honestly was not looking on spending over $100 on one either. I either didn't spend enough time on the old interweb, or Giant Loop is the only universal rack on the market. I have not found one that is comparable or even comes close to the price. On top of that, it's not bulky and it actually looks pretty good. So I ended up picking one up. $50 ain't bad. As described on their website, Giant Loop's trail rack bolts to the plastic rear fender. It creates a solid anchor point for Giant Loop gear. Includes full stainless steel mounting hardware, and it's quick, easy installation. It fits almost every dirt bike, dual sport, enduro type bike. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple the install can be. Looking through the hardware, a spacer is used in between the fender and the rack. For this project, you do have to drill 4 small, simple holes into your fender. And for that, I use the rack as a guide, and I use a trusty Sharpie. For this rack, you can use it either way. You can use it horizontal or vertical. It just depends on what type of position and configuration works best for your bike. After aimlessly searching through my toolbox, I find that a 4mm Allen wrench and a 10mm socket or wrench works best. Hopefully I inspired people to go out there and get this Giant Loop tail rack. I surely didn't want to spend over $100 on another tail rack system, and what really sold me was the hinged clips on this rack. These clips make everything secure like a D-ring system. As always, I appreciate everybody joining me, and we'll see you guys out on the next trail. Vintage out.